Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we have quite an exciting tour of the shed. Lots and lots of new cars that have come in. We've got a few cars that are just waiting to get detailed up and prepared for sale. This beautiful 1969 383 Camaro. Beautiful condition, sounds amazing. So we'll be bringing you that one. Look at that. Americans had some fantastic designs back in those days, the SS. And check this out. This is the one and only Opaline Blue A9X hatchback. That's the only one built, and it was sold through Fred Geisler Motors down at Goulburn, and Fred actually raced it in Group C touring car class. It comes with a Group C logbook, the original application form for the CAMS certificate, which I'll show you. We'll have lots of photos of all of this, but I'll just show you this. So this is actual real race car. Look at that, Geisler Motors Goulburn. And there is the CAMS application back in 1978, August, with from Fred Geisler, and then you've got the CAMS logbook, which is a new CAMS logbook, but it is referring to this particular car. So that is a very exciting car, and amazingly, it comes with all the original street car items to put it back to factory spec. So the console, the dash, armrest on that side, I'm assuming. What else, Chris, does it come with?
Dash fascia, wiring harness.
Wiring harness as well.
Seat.
And the seat, yeah. Pop the bonnet. Let's have a look underneath. Look at that. Geisler. Okay, number 88. You can check this out on all the races. I'll put some photos up of the car racing at Amaroo and some of the other racetracks that it raced at. But look at that. Look at this work that's gone into getting that cool air into the carburetor. Look at that. How cool is that? So you get the air coming in through the bonnet hole and then into the carburetor. And incredibly, it is the original engine in this car. So it is a HT, I don't know if you can see that, but I will have photos of that on the website. But this is a one-off car, one only Opaline Blue hatchback. There were 3 sedans and 1 hatchback ever built, and then this was obviously built, bought by Fred Geisler to then race. And there you go, 1177. Beautifully restored, spectacular job, and all the stickers, race slicks, and it's back to the way it was back in 1978 when it was racing. Can we hear it? Let's hear this baby. Okay, Chris. Thank you. I tell you what, I've just swallowed about 10 tons of carbon monoxide. I'm feeling a bit dizzy right now. But anyway, there you go. An amazing actual A9X race car. And this is not a GMP&A shell. This is an actual A9X. So one of the 100 hatchbacks ever built and then turned into a race car. So you can either leave it as a race car or you can put it back to a factory, just street A9X. But pretty special car because it's you know, got Cam's history and everything. So very, very, very excited to have a car like this for sale. Okay, now we have some incredible new cars that have come up. We have a factory 308 Electra Blue with Houndstooth black and white trim. This is a 308 factory 4-speed Monaro, and back in early 1971. So this is basically a run-out model of the HG just before the beginning of the HQ. And so what they did, Holden sort of optioned them up. So if you have a look, this car is optioned with, look at that, GM air conditioning, and amazingly it is a factory power steering car. So very highly optioned. I'll just pop the bonnet on this one because it is a special car. It has also got the tramp rods. I'll just get this open. So there you go. This is pretty much an unrestored car. It's got the matching number 308, and as I said, it's got the factory air conditioning, which is the GM fitted air conditioning. There's your compressor, Frigidaire compressor. 308 power steering. There's your power steering pulley down there. And but yeah, very, very nice original, really good original car, matching number car and manual, so very rare. And this is 3rd month 71, 80837. So there you go. So that one is on the website already, and this one we're asking 175. So have a look at that. That's a really good original car. Hard to find them. So we've got that. We also have a dual green XY GT Replica. That's just been finished by Falcon GT Restorations, which is next door to us. Just done an engine bay refresh for that car. But this is a very nicely presented car. Dual green, saddle trim, manual car, and look at that. Sunroof, wind-back sunroof, very nice. I'll just pop the bonnet on this one as well. Very nice paint. Dual green, lovely combo, dual green. There you go. So this has just been tidied up in the engine bay by Falcon GT Restorations and presents very nicely. There you go. So yeah, this one very, very nice with the combo of the saddle trim, and obviously that is a big deal, having that wind-back sunroof in it. And this one we're going to be looking at around the 175 mark as well. Okay, another very exciting car that has come in is this 1973, so it's one of the first XBs to come off the production line. This is a Mulberry with white trim, and it's believed to have had the cloth insert added at the dealership, because the current owner has had this car since 1999, and that's a special car. This is Mulberry FMX Auto, 351 obviously, 2V because it's auto, and this car is optioned with factory wind-back sunroof, air conditioning, power steering, power windows. It is a heavily optioned car. Obviously, with the owner having this car for such a long time, there are quite a few little modifications that he's made, but they're all very tasteful. I'll just show you in there. It's showing 49,000 miles. Look at that. Presents beautifully, like nice patina on the steering wheel, and just a very tidy car. Let's have a look under the bonnet. So this car is, it's got a stroker motor in it. It is the original matching number engine. The air conditioning is with the car but not fitted to the car, so it comes in the boot. There you go. T, B, W for trim, and 6 is Mulberry in one of these cars. So there you go. Yeah, matching number car. And also he's changed the wheels to performance 15-inch sort of globe look. That's just a matter of taste, but yeah, you can obviously change it, but it's very tidy even underneath. It looks really nice, presents very nicely. But I've got lots of photos of this on the website. Okay, going back to XYs, we had this Surfer car came in that has sold. That's a Surfer XY GT Replica. And we also just got in yesterday this amazing looking track red XY GT HO Replica. So this is done to like a full phase 3 specification. A really nice car. This one again will be, you know, looking at that sort of higher 100,000s, 170, 180, somewhere around there. 175 GDHO. I'll have all the specs on this one on the website as well. But yeah, very tidy, and you know, obviously a lot of effort's gone into building this to a very high spec level. So there you go. A few other cars have gone. Obviously the Dean Canto BA, that's sold. And also we've got this car coming pretty much in the next week or two now. 72 LJ GTR XU-1. This is a genuine GTR XU-1. I'll just have a look underneath the bonnet on this one. I'll just show you inside. So it's all been, basically it's a restored car, very nicely done. Have a look underneath here. Wow, that looks fantastic, doesn't it? Look at that. Everything's been restored, reconditioned. Very nice. Wow. Beautiful job. So we've just finished detailing this one up for sale, and show you around in the boot as well. Just have a look at that. That's 1172, this one. Show you that. 1172. Got your big nut master cylinder. There's your 8D11. So there's GTR XU-1, and yeah, it's very nice, very nicely done, this one. I'll just show you around in the boot. So you've got your spare wheel with the tie down there, and you've got your big tank and nice new boot mat put in there. Looks lovely. Really beautiful. Oh, I've got the post in the middle of the So there you go. That's that gives you a bit of a roundup of what is in the showroom for this week. Look at the colours. How cool is this compared to the white, grey and black that you see on the road today? Look at that. Pretty good, hey? Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the tour, and we look forward to bringing you a lot more cars shortly. But look at that. I finish off with this fantastic shot of the best option you could get on a Falcon in the day, and that was these amazing Golde sunroofs. And then we don't want to leave without a great shot of a real A9X hatchback. Very rare, 100 only ever built, and this one extra special given that it was raced by the dealer principal of Geisler Motors in Goulburn, New South Wales. Anyway, thank you very much for watching Australian Muscle Car TV, and we look forward to welcoming you to our Sydney showroom. Thank you very much.